Hi, thank you for using our app. This tutorial video will show you how you can use ARKitchen to quickly design your kitchen. To start off, we first need to enter the dimensions of our kitchen. ARKitchen requires us to enter the width, depth, and height of your kitchen. Note, you can also just press the Done button directly, which will use the default 15 feet by 12 feet by 8 feet room dimension for your kitchen. Now we can select from one of the kitchen cabinet layout templates. We have basic shape, L shape, or C shape to select from. If you would like to build your own custom cabinet layout, you can select the second option to draw your own custom kitchen cabinet layout, which we will cover in another advanced design tutorial video. Today we will select the first L-shaped cabinet layout for demonstration. Let's reduce the top cabinet area a little bit and press the Next button. Now, we can browse through different kitchen cabinet styles and choose the one that you like. You can also select the type of kitchen cabinet corners, as well as the floor tile type, whether you use square tiles or wooden plank flooring. After you select the style, you can press the Next button, and now the ARKitchen app will automatically generate the kitchen cabinets for you. You should now see a room generated right in front of you. If you do not see the room, you can press the Recenter button at the bottom right of the screen to reposition the room in front of your camera. Next, we would like to customize our kitchen by placing different appliances such as fridges, ovens, washing machines, and more. To do that, we can swipe right on our screen or press the arrow key to open the appliance section window. We can browse through different appliances and kitchen cabinets. Now let's select a fridge. You will see a purple box appear in the room. To locate where you would like to place the fridge, move your camera to move the purple position box. Then you can tap the screen or press the Place Item button to place your item. If you dislike what you have placed, you can press the Rewind button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now let's try placing an oven, a vacuum, kitchen sink, window, and an island by slightly moving your iOS camera. By swiping left or pressing the arrow key on the right, we can try different colors and texture options. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can subscribe and unlike all these textures for a month with no auto-renewal. Note, we can also open the color wheel to paint our cabinets and walls with the color that you want. We can also try our own custom textures. Now let's try different colors for our countertop, our backsplash, and kitchen walls. Now that we have customized our kitchen and found the color and textures that we like, we can view our kitchen in real size. To do this, we can press the Real Scale Mode button. Then we need to move our camera to point to our real floor and slowly rotate the camera a little bit to get a nice scan of the environment. Once we see that it stabilizes, we can drop our kitchen model into the floor, and then we can pinch the screen to scale our kitchen and rotate the kitchen. We can also press the Scale button to change the model into real size. Note that you can also try out different textures in this mode. We can now take a few pictures and share it on social media, or send it to our family and friends, or show it to your kitchen manufacturer that this is the style of kitchen you like. If we would like to edit it more, we can press the To Design button to go back to design mode. Here, we can save our design to be reloaded next time we open our app. That's all for today's tutorial view. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment under the video or send us an email for any issues or suggestions. Let us know what you would like to see in the upcoming updates of ARKitchen.